consuela, me ofrece claridad para pensar, para sentir mi más sincera voluntad. La voz del tiempo es la única verdad que tengo.
What's good? What's good? What's good? Good evening, everyone. On this fantastic rainy evening. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pissing down outside, and we love that. We love a nice rainy evening. It's good. How are we all? How are we? How the fuck are we? I'm fantastic, thanks for asking. Fuck, I just went live, there's no one in here. But, yes. How are we, how are we, how are we? What have we got? Let's have a little look-see. Musa! What's going on, man? I missed you too. What's been happening? It's been a while. It's been a hot minute. What's been happening? You good? No TPs so far on that account. On this account, none either. What are we on? You're on New Zealand. Almost at profit. Pound US dollar. I really fucking want to get out of pound US dollar. Not gonna lie. I've been in pound US dollar for quite some time and I want to get the fuck out. Where is our... Oh, fuck. I don't know. Break even line. Oh, an ice cream cone. Thank you, bro. Thank you a lot. I very much appreciate that. 10k likes before I go. Let's do this. You reckon? You reckon you can get to that? Fuck, bro. You really don't have to do that. 1k. 1k is fine. 1k. I don't want you to fucking absolutely destroy your fucking fingers. Why are you trading at night if you're a day trader? You don't think I get that 50 times a day? Come on, brother. Do you not understand how the world works? Hold the fuck up. I'm so fun, bro. Yeah, I know. I can't even. You're literally probably the 30th person to say that today. So, bro, fuck me. These American people, I actually can't even. When I get on late at night, it's always the wackest shit. Always the wackest shit. I need it. Bro, what? Seek help. Man, seek fucking help. So we just had market open. Let's have a look at the indices. Ugh. Ugh, that's horrible. Dow Jones, okay. God. This is the reason why I decided to stop trading the indices at the moment. It is just the price action right now at open is fucking atrocious. Absolutely horrible. So, called it quits for a little bit on the indices. Answer the question, no. I don't actually really even know what that means, to be honest. So, seek help. Bro, Musa absolutely smashing the fucking like button. What a goat. What an actual goat. Fucking TikTok decided that it would be nice to promote me on my last live stream for once, instead of suspending me, which was nice. No suspension, just promotion. If I get suspended one more time, I'm out. Gone. Count banned. So, gotta be a little bit careful, bruv. Bro, those likes just coming through. Fuck yeah. We love that. We love that a lot. Yes. Interesting. YouTube. Let's get YouTube up as well. Make sure we're chilling. We're chilling. Sweet. Good shit. Let's fucking go. Night stream. We love these midnight streams. And it's raining. I don't think you guys can see outside, but it's raining, pouring down. Absolutely spectacular. Love the view when it's pissing down. What trading? Forex. I only trade Forex at the moment. I was trading indices, but Jesus Christ, thank God I'm not right now. It's a shit show. Absolute fucking shit show. Let's have a look at the news. See if anything's been happening with PMIs tonight. Just come out. That's why it's reversing. Manufacturing, which came out positive for industry expansion, so that's good. And then we got supply management PMIs coming out in 10 minutes. So we'll see what happened. Oh, fuck. We also got jolts. Interesting. It's going to be a big move. Big move. Please teach me how to trade. I don't get it. Of course, bro. That's what I'm here for. That's why I do this whole shit. I could just slave away on my fucking computer and trade and not do any of this shit. So I am here to help. I got a mentorship program and I have a free Discord as well. So choose which one you want. Obviously the mentorship, you get one-on-ones with me for free. You get my trading expert advisor, which is a trading bot, you probably wouldn't understand, which gets me in and out of the market. And I will teach you everything. So yeah, if you want to jump in the mentorship, it's $47 a month. Up to you. But I'm keeping it small so I can really tailor shit to people. So yeah, if you want to, links are in my bio. Oi, boss man, run me 10 packs of Hubba Bubba. Fucking oath. Give me a good crypto. Ethereum. I mean, that's what I would do right now. If I was looking at buying crypto, I'd be buying ETH. But because, you know, if we get back to all-time highs, it could be big. It could be really big. Whether or not we get to there, who fucking knows? But I'm sure there'll be some crypto pump in the future as well. So, yeah, it's up to you. XRP. The thing with XRP, man, is yes, in the future, it's probably going to have more use than something like Ethereum, but it's sketchy to get in. Like, look at where it was trading at in November, the start of November last year. That was not that fucking long ago. And we were down at 50 cents. We could get down to 50 cents real fucking quick and be staying down at that level for a while. You know. Strawberry Lemon, what's good? Bet you buy me a PC. Nah, bruh, sorry. If I still had my old one, I would have given it to you. But I just got a new PC. New-ish. I hope not though. Yeah, well, of course, but you got to be considerate of those sorts of things. It might actually happen. It might happen. Like, you really, really never fucking know. You really never know. So, yeah. Hi, sir. What's up? Bradle? How are we? Or Brad? Ellie? Well, that's even nicer. Thank you. Well, I mean, I just can't. Sorry. I can teach you how to trade so you can pay for your own fucking PC. But, yeah. Sorry about that. What other cryptos are even viable right now? I mean, it's obviously Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pretty rough right now. But again, we could be going back down to like the 60s. That's very possible. You know, it wasn't even... We were still in the 60s in November. Is that right? Yeah, literally. Start of November. We were in the... 70s. Did we get down to the 60s? We did get down to the 60s in November. We could go back down to fucking 60s. I don't trade crypto though. I do not trade crypto. Forex and indices only for me. So yeah. Should I turn my money into coins, throw them into the air, and try to avoid getting hit by them? Yes. Man, I swear the fuck. I hate streaming at this time of the night. I actually might can streaming this late. What would you recommend a beginner trader to get into first and then developed into? Well, I mean, why would you need to develop? Why wouldn't you start where you want to be? Like, I don't particularly understand that question. Like, if you get really good at something, why not stay in it? Why do you have to change? That's what I did. Where are you? What state? Queensland. Thanks for the advice, bro. No worries. I took your advice and lost money, bro. I don't give advice here, so I don't... Obviously... 3K likes, bro. Musa, what the fuck? It's all good. That's good, bro. That's good. That's good. That's good. I didn't even fucking realize. Jesus Christ, cunt. Chill. But yeah, no, thanks. Yeah, Josh, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I think you're obviously taking the piss. How much is in your traded account? I don't talk figures, dollar figures. I'm not allowed to. In the Discord? Bro, I don't give advice in the Discord. What the fuck are you talking about? Reply to what you're talking about, please. Because you're full of shit. There's literally no... Oh, I mean, actually, no, I do give advice out in there. Like, nothing crazy, but... I doubt you're even... You're not allowed to give figures? Yeah, no, I'm not. I got in trouble. Do you want, like... What do you want? What do you want as proof that I am profitable? What do you want as proof? Keep it up. Come on. You in the Gold Coast? Nah, Brisbane. Search my Discord up. Okay, what's your Discord? I literally have it open right now. Show us right now. You're trading up. I can't put it up. It's on YouTube. If you want to look at me trading, it's on YouTube. Josh, what's your fucking Discord? Big boy? What is it? Show us right. Bro, I hate streaming at this time. How's the cyclone? It was a bit of rain. It wasn't shit, eh? It was fucking... I was expecting, you know, some hectic fucking big wins, crazy shit. I did see about, because I got a pretty big view from mine. Like, I can see the city, I can see multiple suburbs, all this shit. So I saw from here, like, big flashes and suburbs going out and shit, but besides that, wasn't anything crazy. How do I get rich fast? Get lucky. How much do you earn? Around 7.5% a month. Day trader looks like 9. Yeah. You're like the 30th person today. You ever invite Aussie models up there? I got a missus, brother. Yeah, bro, the news here in Sydney was pumping the fuck out of it, saying people are gonna die. Yeah, bro, here too, it was like, prepare. All the stores were bought out of everything. I didn't prepare for shit, right? I literally did not prepare for shit. So, yeah. I wasn't too worried. When you buy a funded account, you don't get to keep all the money you make, right? No, it depends on the funded account. Depends what split you have. Like, some do 80-20, some do 90-10. Some you get 100%. Just depends on the prop you're using. I don't do prop though. 4K likes, good job. I think it's bugged out, but so stop spamming the fuck out of it. This happened last night. Someone gave me 15K likes and it only went up to 3K. So I think it's like a thing for TikTok to stop spam, like what's the fucking word? Bots and shit. So I do appreciate that, but to save your time, it's literally stuck at 3.4. But thank you so much, Musa. Love when you come on here, bro. It's fucking super nice of you. Assuming you already made what you bought it for. I think I answered your question. Fuck, is the music too loud? I don't think I turned it down. I did. Sweet. Can you hear the music? Can you guys hear it? How does that work? How does what work? Oh, shit. Rudy, thank you very much for the rose. I appreciate that. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much. Being small creator, everything helps. So thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Musa! 5 roses. Thank you very much. That's fucking awesome. Thank you. Moose is a fucking mad supporter of the stream. So thank you very much, bro. How does that work? How does what work? Sorry. And TikTok. How does what work? Mundo? He sent 3 TikToks. Fucking hell. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Can you suggest funded accounts to get? It depends. It depends. I have a thing where I can pass funded accounts for you for a fee, but besides that, I don't particularly recommend fundeds because it's so hard to get a payout unless you go to instant funding. And where do you look at the funded accounts? An app or a website? Websites. Music Store Suite. Thanks, Craig. What's been happening in Sydney? Anything crazy? Well, hope this makes up for the rest. 6 or 7. Bro, you did. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, sorry. Mundo, how do brokers give you 10-to-1 leverage? What do you mean, how do they give you it? TikTok filtered my comment. Yeah, I don't understand what you mean by how do they give it to you. Maybe just try and elaborate on that. How do I turn $10 into $100? Not easily. So you want to make it 1,000% on your money. I mean, it's easier when it's a little bit more money. You can, a little bit less, you can take bigger risks, but it's not really any way you can do that without very high risk. I'm going to go to bed now. See you later, Tom. Have a great night. Good night. See you, Musa. Thank you very much for the TikToks, the roses, the ice cream cone, bro, and all the likes. I do appreciate you supporting me a lot. Thank you very much. Nothing out of the usual in Sydney. So what, like shootings, robbings, bashing, stabbings, just the usual. How does that work? Like, why would they 10x what you put in yourself? Because they know that 70 to 95% of traders lose money. So it's like they're making money regardless. Exactly, yeah. What up, Haley? How are we? How are we today? All right, this is a bit better. My usual streams late at night are pretty fucking toxic because of all the Americans, but this is better. Oh, fucking hell. Fuck. Nose is itchy. Not bad, thank you. Yourself? I'm pretty good. I got a lot of shit to do tonight, so I'm gonna be up late as fuck. But besides that, chilling. Can't complain. I don't have to wake up for a fucking job, so who gives a shit? Rooting kangaroos while drunk on goon is the true blue Aussie way of life. Yeah. Yeah, I suppose. I'm in Sydney. Sweet. Where'd you get that tank top? I don't fucking know. I've had it for like years. Cheers for answering questions. Learned heaps. Sorry if that was a shit answer to your question, but so the brokers obviously attract. So when you try and join the Discord, so when you click on the link tree in my bio, hit the 3 dots at the top, and then it'll go to an external browser, and then you should be able to join from there because it's a bit fucked. But anyway, so I'll just quickly answer your question too. Brokers make money from each trade that you take, right? So the leverage that if they have high leverage, it attracts more customers, more money for them. Every trade you take, they make money on spread, commissions, swap fees, shit like that. So, yeah. What do you do? Trade. No worries, Mundo. Just let me know if you get in. If not, just send me a DM on fucking TikTok, and I'll figure it out for you. Jump in, come say g'day, talk some shit. We hit over 200 members, which is fucking nuts. For me, at least, I've not been doing this for very long, so 200 people in there is pretty good for me. I'll take that. Oh, I want to watch this. Sorry if this starts playing, but I want to watch that later. It's like a video on exposing day trading scammers, which I love watching them. It's so easy. When you actually there's so much bullshit on the internet. When you actually know how to trade, it's so easy to spot a fake. Like, bro, it's the easiest fucking thing you can ever do is spot a fake trader. It's like, bro, 90% or 99% of ICT traders have fucking no idea. Yo, Tom, random question. Who's your favorite viewer fan? Like on the stream? Is that what you're talking about? Gain aura humans? Are you talking about like the stream and shit? Ooh, there's a few of them. There's a few of them. Because a lot of people, you know, like, I've been pretty small. Like, I am small. I'm not a big creator, so I do have a little cult following. I'd say out of all of them, my biggest top 5. All right. So I've got to put the first person that ever commented on any of my lives, which was Sienna. She's got to be in there, number 1. Number 2, Xander. Number 3, Musa. Number 4, I'm going to put both Seans in there. And number 5, probably Fletcher. And Bird Chop. Bird Chop's number 1 and always will be number 1. Bird Chop for sure is number 1, but the rest of them is, so that's more than 5, but yeah. That'd be that. Why, are you one of them on like a different account? Dexter sent me a rose. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you. Thank you. But there's lots of people in here that are in here, you know, every day and come and support and spam the likes and fucking help me get because I've had a shit go, right? True Blue. Oh, Julie, thank you very much for following me. I've had a bit of a shit go with TikTok. They keep suspending me, right? And they keep it's fucking super frustrating because they're suspending me for the stupidest shit that makes no sense. I went through all their community guidelines, disputed everything. They rejected everything. And, oh, Bird Chop. See? Number 1. Bird Chop's number 1. Quick fix. Yeah, I know. I was like, yeah, I was thinking about all the others, but obviously Bird Chop's number 1. Bird Chop's always in here. Always supporting, always spamming the likes, always sending gifts. Bird Chop is number 1. I didn't even know you were in here, Bert. Not gonna lie. Yep, Bird Chop's in there. I tried to say haha in caps, but there's settings. Really? You can't? What the fuck? So weird. How often do you go live? Every day. 5:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time and 11:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, follow if you want more, join the Discord, all that shit. How do you adjust your position sizing and risk management when volatility spikes unexpectedly? Are you the same person that came in here before? And how do you differentiate between normal market noise and trend reversal? Bro, literally I got that exact question earlier, so I'm not going to answer it. Can't sleep. Any recommendations? I have to listen to stuff. So I put the aircon on 16 degrees Celsius and I put on YouTube on my phone, put it down. I've got a big fuck off TV in my room. So yeah, I got to turn the TV off and then I just put my phone on. White noise, it helps. And get the fuck off your phone. Maybe that's a good start. Get off your phone, put it down, have some white noise on, listen to something that's boring as shit. I smelt my fingers after our fun last night and it reminded me of you. I've had that comment a couple of times, not gonna lie. Nice and cold. Yeah. Fan full blast. Freezing cold. All rugged up. It's good. I used to be really bad with overheating. Like every night I'd wake up just dripping in sweat, fucking horrible. It doesn't happen as often now. Can you please repeat the answer to his question? I was wondering the same thing but wasn't watching. What? No answer, I guess. Reduce position size to manage risk during high volatility, or hedge or scale out if uncertainty is high. Oh, Musa. Heart puff. Holy fuck. Heart puff, ice cream cone, and GG. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you. Go to sleep, bro. Go to sleep. Get some snooze. Well, why are you asking the question to an answer that you know? Like, what? Why? Please tell me, why? Like, why ask the question? Please explain. Please. And what even was the question? Literally someone asked this earlier. That's why I didn't fucking bother. How do you adjust your risk position sizing and risk management when volatility spikes unexpectedly? I don't change my risk or position sizing. And how do you differentiate between normal market noise and true trend reversal? Depends. It's different for everyone. It depends how you look at the market. Everyone looks at the market with their own lens. So, and I don't trade trends. I mean, all you can do is wait. That's literally all you can do. Like, what? Yeah, I know, but why ask a question? And I've already had that question today multiple times. That's why. Is bro in the New York session? Yeah. But I'm not trading indices right now. And thank the fucking Lord that I'm not. That's horrible. PMIs should have come out. Jolts and everything. Let's have a look. PMI's down. Shit, we got 49 on a forecast of 49.5. Jolts is down. Shit. Make it in trades tonight. I'm about to hit TP. If you're on YouTube, we're hitting TP right now. Do I just pull this out? No, it's gonna hit TP. Go, done. Good thing I checked that. I was in that for a day or two, and we're out. That was my New Zealand dollar US dollar trade, and we've done 0.52% today. So I got out of Aussie dollar US dollar and New Zealand dollar US dollar for 0.52% gain. We take that. Oh, and what up, Uncle? How are you? Yeah. Oh, thank you for the rose too. What's good? I didn't even realize it was fucking you. Am I doing good? Am I doing good with the name? Can we just appreciate that I'm like full on board now? Do you stick to one quote or try different currencies or indices? I trade most major crosses. So Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, CAD, US dollar, yen, Swiss, pound, euro. 28 different pairs. I am not trading Swiss and yen pairs at the moment though. Turn those off because they tend to trend a lot, and I don't. My strategy is based off mean reversion, so yeah. And I stick to the same indices: Nasdaq, Dow Jones for New York, and FTSE DAX for London. How do you know you're not just gambling? Now it's a fine line with trading. That's a great question. And I think Anka's kind of summing that up pretty well, that everything in life is a gamble. If you start a business, it's the exact same thing. You're taking a gamble. You obviously have risk management, specific levels that you want to take profit in and shit like that. It's a little bit different. There is a fine line, and a lot of people can't differentiate the differences between trading and gambling, because it is, a lot of the time, it's 50-50. It's more how you apply risk management to trading. Essentially, you just need an edge. You need an edge. Sus. Why is bro so aggressive? Who pissed you off, man? Am I? I don't think I am. I think it's just how I talk. Plus, I hate streaming on New York session because we get lots of monkeys coming in here. You haven't fixed it up in ages. I'm proud. Thank you. Fucked it up. Yeah. Thank you. I'm doing, yeah. I feel like I'm doing a lot better because fuck me, I fucked that up so many times. I did mention Anka actually in my top. You should have been in there. Sorry, bro. Someone asked me earlier who my top 5 favorite people that come in here. I didn't mention you. Sorry, you should have been in there. Fuck, I'm an idiot. Oh, Euro New Zealand is now in profit, which I've been in for a little bit of time. Do I pull out of Euro New Zealand? Let me have a look. No, I'm going to set my TP down here. Yep. Got a little bit higher, fuck it. Still in decent profit there. Little bit higher. What are we at there? Yeah, that'll be good. Fuck, actually, there's a gap there, isn't there? Where's my fucking gap indicator? Sorry, guys, give me a second. Fuck, have I deleted that? Oh, wait, I'll just download it. I'm an idiot. Shame. Yeah, sorry, bro. You're in there, though. What is like your net worth since you started trading, you reckon? I can't, I mean, surely you know why I can't say that, but it's gone up a fucking shitload. Why can I not see? The fuck? Should I invest in Bitcoin soon because it seems like the price is going to drop? If you want, yeah. I mean, Could drop a lot more than it is right now. I mean, look at it right now. It's just fucking just taking a dive. Could go a lot lower than this. As I said before, we could be looking at going in the 60s. So I'd be very cautious with any Bitcoin right now. Or sorry, any coin, any crypto. Tread lightly, carefully. Plumbing is the way, mate. You reckon? Reckon Ripple is worth the investment at the moment? I don't know. Where's XRP? Honestly, no. Not for me. I got some XRP, but I got it in quite a while ago. And as I said, November last year, we were sitting at 50 cents. We could get down there pretty fucking easily. What car do I drive? Pagani Huayra. L what? I swear literally no one has any constructive shit at this time of the night. How much are you able to make in a month? On my account size, I make about 7.5% per month. Last month I made 21.22% though, so it fluctuates. Typo. Where do you live? Brisbane, Australia. Vittorio Raggio. Where's that name from? Vittorio. Typo. I don't know. You're kidding, right? You drive that? No. What the fuck? How much do they cost? Starts at 3.4 mil. Yeah, there's no way. You know what I do want to get? I want to get like an entry-level supercar, right? I've been thinking about this. What kind of coins do you have in your wallet? I literally just XRP and Bitcoin. That's it. Oh, I might actually have some old Solana though. I don't know how much is in there, but I got fucking no idea. Become a plumber, mate. Saved my life. Fuck that. Italia. Depreciation. Depreciation on what? For starting a self-funded account, what do you say is a good amount? That's a great question. I like that question. And it's very subjective, right? So my first ever account after 2 years of demo trading, my first account was 20K, right? Do I recommend that for everyone? No. I was demoed for 2 fucking years before I put any of my money in. Which I recommend to a lot of people is to go demo for a very long time before they put money in or until they're confident. I was just learning from fucking absolute morons who had no idea what the fuck they were talking about, but I didn't know any better, right? So on average, the average profitable day trader is going to make between 3 and 10% a month, right? So let's say you have a $100 account that you start with. On average, you will make $3 to $10 a month without having extremely high risk, without blowing accounts, shit like that. I'm currently, if you've seen my recent YouTube video, I've run my bot on a $500 account and we've been able to quadruple the account in 4 months, right? Do I recommend that? Not really. I'm still working on it, still doing lots of testing and everything, and that bot's only available for the mentorship guys as well. But on average, you'll make 3 and 10% of your account size. So, yeah, base it off that. Depends how much you want to be making. Depends if you want to supplement your entire income, pay for holidays, shit like that. You got to think about that shit. Depreciation and maintenance of car you care. Did you actually think I drove a Pagani Huayra? I don't. So back to what I was saying. I want to get a... Oh, you guys aren't even going to be able to fucking see it. That's annoying. That's annoying. Either a 540C or a 570S. That's what I've been thinking about. How much do you love me? A lot, mate. A lot. And I hope you quit smoking. Are there good tax write-offs in this line of work? Not really. Internet, it's all the standard shit. Internet, computer, fucking phones, shit like that. It's nothing crazy. Cars in Brisbane traffic is just so AIDS. Bro, I live in the city. It's fucked. Like, yeah. Absolutely fucked. Is the laptop good to start with? Yep. Yeah, you don't need some crazy PC. I don't recommend starting on a phone at all. People that say you can make money just from your phone, Best Buy, bullshit. Bullshit. You won't make shit from a phone pressing buy and sell, copy trading. It's all horseshit. It's all horseshit. So, yeah, laptop's good. You can do a lot with the laptop. Can't do shit with a fucking phone. So, yeah. Laptop's all you need as well. MT4, which is what I trade on, takes up 0 CPU, GPU, takes nothing. Memory, it's fuck all. 0 requirements. Rate my Christian clothing brand. Alright, I'm down. I don't talk fucking... religion on here though. Looks decent. Yeah, it looks decent. Keep up the good work. Good job, bro. Or chick. I don't know if you're a girl or a guy. I think you're a guy. Yeah, good job. Getting after it. I respect anyone that, you know, really goes and tries to get it. Like, I seriously fucking respect that. So. And it's a niche, you know, Christian shit. So, yeah. Good job. 1.0 GPA. Is that like an American thing, GPA? I'm pretty sure it is. I actually have fucking no idea. Wait, no, it's not. Yeah, that's how much I don't give a fuck about standard education. Is 1.0 meant to be shit? And are you trying to say I have a 1.0? Is that what they're trying to say? I fuck with the music, New Edition. I don't know. This is just my favorites. It's the same playlist that I play. Let me listen. Is it this song or was it the one before? Oh, bro. You're falling asleep to this shit. Nah, sorry. Is this one of those quit your 9 to 5, bro, I'll make you rich schemes? Nah, absolutely not. No. Took me a long time to get to where the fuck I am. Haven't noticed it before. No, he's just sitting here talking, bro. Yeah, it's pretty much what I do. Yeah, 1.0 GPA is trash, unfortunately. So they're just talking shit. Yeah, fake account, 1 follower. Gives a shit. Did you ever try drop shipping? Yeah. Quit your 9 to 5, brothers. You'll be proper rich if you watch your screen 24/7. Let's have a look at you. Private account. Yeah, righto. Do you stay up all night? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, he does sell a course, unfortunately. Yeah, I do. And you know how much it pays me? About 40 cents an hour. And I just started this. I've been fucking trading for a very long time. I want better information and to help more people with better shit, right? So, fuck, I can't concentrate with that shit blaring in my fucking ears. So, one of the reasons I started this was because, but why sell a course? Why not spread it for free if you want to help, mate? I do. Have you seen my fucking Discord? 90% of the shit in there is free. Like, I give so much shit. I don't do TikTok, man. Run a business. Why are you on TikTok talking shit then? So why sell a course? Why not spread it for free if you want to help? So yeah, I do give away a lot of shit for free. Heaps of shit for free. I have developed a bot. So this is where most of the course stuff comes from, right? I spend so many hours helping people, right? Nothing comes for free. You think I'm just going to give away my time for absolutely nothing? Like, do you know how the fucking world works? Like, what the fuck? So when you go and buy a coffee, why don't you tell the worker that's working there to just do it for free? The fuck? But righto. But I do give away a lot of shit for free, and it's priced at the absolute minimum I possibly can. I don't know what you want. I know the whole course thing, it's got a terrible fucking reputation. Terrible reputation. But, you know, it's whatever. You're hating for no reason. Almost everyone is selling something. Why wouldn't he? Thank you. It's just, yeah. I basically do it for free anyway. People sell bots for thousands of dollars. I give it away for free in a mentorship where I give people one-on-one. You know, I sit on the fucking phone for 3 hours face-to-face with people, helping them, teaching them shit. How the fuck would I do that for free? Do people not realize using people's time is money? Exactly. If you've developed a bot to make you profitable, then yeah. Go look at my YouTube video. It literally shows it. Literally shows results. You develop a bot, I develop houses and hotels. Okay, do it for free. Do it for free. Please. Go do it for free. Like the fuck? Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Serious question. Do you have any skills to society? Is teaching not a skill to society? Like, man, oh, I hope streaming at this time. Is online education not a skill to society? Please, please tell me. And you don't think I had a job before this? The fuck? Why do you need money from people? It's time. It's time. It's literally, it's fine. It's not hate, but you trade time for money. I spent 5 years learning how to trade through all the bullshit. I paid for courses. I paid for mentorships from almost the most shit people that had fucking no clue what they were talking about. And I lost so much money from doing it, spent literally over 4 figures trying to learn how to trade. I'm giving it away for a shitload less and giving people good advice, giving them real help. Like, yeah, the bot he creates took time to make his own time. That time has value, so of course it makes sense. Yeah, literally, man, you fuck me. You guys have no idea how much I spend on this shit. When I'm not on live, I'm literally on my computer for 14 to 16 hours a day. Bailey, thank you very much for sending a heart me. Sorry if I didn't see that before, but thank you very much. If I'm not trading, which I've developed a bot to trade for me so I don't have to spend as much time. Obviously, I have to spend time on macroeconomics and fundamentals and shit to know in a direction that we might be going at, and especially if I'm in trades. But the majority of the time, I'm spending my time talking to people for free and making videos for the mentorship guys and on one-on-one calls with the mentorship guys. Why the fuck would I do that all for free? Plus, the other thing is, now that I've started social media, I'm getting, networking with people. Bigger people are starting to notice me and message me and ask for deals and stuff. And, it's like, why would I not do this? Teaching would be one, man, 100%, but what's the education? What did you do before this live shit? Bro, as I said, I've been trading for 5 years. So it took me 2 years of full demo, not a single cent of my money before I put money into trading. After that, so it's been about 3 years of not doing any social media shit, me trading, and I just got kind of bored, not so much bored, but doing the same shit. I just wanted to switch it up. And I have the knowledge, so why not give it to other people? And I'm not kidding. I spend the majority of my time doing this shit for free anyway. And it pays me virtually nothing. It's more personal brand that I'm wanting to work on. And if I do that by helping a shitload of people at the same time, then I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with that. But before this live stuff's only been going on for like 2-3 months, right? Before that, I worked in sales. I ran multiple warehouses. I worked in construction for 2 years. Fuck, what else have I done? That's pretty much it. Sales, 2 sales jobs, business to business, business to customer. I was a labourer when I first got out of school. I was an apprentice carpenter, didn't like the construction shit, and then I went into sales, and then yeah, I got into warehousing because I wanted to be the first one in, last one out. Last one in, first one out, so I could work on my own shit so I don't have to work anymore. I mean, I still do, but you know what I mean? I don't have to set an alarm in the morning. Time is knowledge. It's not that hard to understand. Yeah. Time and knowledge. Yeah. Wait, are you the same person? What do you mean? People don't understand how the world works. That's right. It's fair. Look, it's fair for people to be speculative. Like, completely fair for people to be speculative and think you're full of shit. I do not blame anyone at all because this industry is the worst fucking industry ever. It is fucked. It is full of scammy people who have no idea how the fuck to trade. Zero clue, bro. Zero fucking clue. And those are the people that I started learning from. It's only till I found an actual mentor who, you know, gave me real advice and helped me a shitload. And then once I got to that point that I could walk away, I walked away from that. And now I do my own thing. And then now I just do the same thing that he does, essentially. And he gave away the majority of his shit for free. And he did have a paid version that was very cheap, but the majority of his shit he gave away for free. I'm just doing the exact same thing. Max, thank you very much for following me. Check in last stream. Going to join up the Discord, start learning from you. Fucking oath, Bailey. Yeah, join it. It's free. Any questions? Obviously, now you know there's a mentorship program and shit. But yeah, fair enough, mate. Found your niche. No worries, dribbler. Keep doing your thing too. Everyone needs people like you in the world. Everyone needs people like me in the world. What were your warehouse businesses? What do you mean? I worked for a mining company. I ran one of their warehouses, and then I worked for another company which was a bit smaller. Ran that warehouse. Where do babies come from? Right. How much money have you made over the last 2 years trading? Surely you know I can't fucking I can't say that, but a fair bit. What was sales like? It's hard, bro. It's fucking hard. It is hard work, and it's mentally draining as fuck. Like sales is fucking rough, but it is a skill that I recommend to a lot of people because especially business to business, door knocking, cold calling, it gives you very, very valuable skills in life. And I do recommend it to a lot of people. It's not for everyone, but it is a tough gig. It's a fucking tough gig. I'd literally rather be a laborer than work in sales. Fuck that. But it's good. It's a good skill, and I think it's essential for people to try it out and do it. Gives you good personal skills. Isaac, thank you very much for following me. Do you give advice for long-term trading, not day trading? Not particularly. It's not really my niche, to be honest, but you can use my bot for long-term. Why would you not be able to disclose that, Lamau? Tax. Surely, bro, come on. Plus, I got in trouble. I literally got in trouble. I got reported and all this shit, bro. I had to go through a bit. So, yeah, I spoke to my solicitors, and I'm not allowed to talk about money anymore. Essentially, I can talk about percentages, but that's it. But that's a funny comment, Luke. Can your gains in percentage, it'd be in the hundreds, because I made some lucky trades. If it was just my strategy alone, in 2 years, I'd probably be at I don't know. I got to extract, but the thing is, I've changed brokers multiple times, so I don't even think I have that info still. But it'd be, well, according to my count, fuck, it's in the hundreds altogether. But that's just because I did some risky shit and took some risky trades, which I don't recommend. But my strategy, probably 150 to 200%, 2 years, about that. Maybe 150 to 175, around there. I average about 7.5% a month. But when you think about actually, as of last month, we might be a bit higher than that, because I did a 20%, 21.22% month last month, which was fucking huge. So, yeah, tax. Yeah, bro, come on. What broker do you use? Black Bull Markets. For Aussies, I don't know where you guys are from, but for Aussies, Black Bull Markets is the best broker you can use. I have an affiliate link, yes, so you could say I'm biased, but I've been using them for fucking, like, pretty much since I started, probably 3.5 years ago, I used them. And then I changed a couple of times. I had a look at a few different options because I wanted high leverage on indices. And then I realized that you cannot get higher leverage with a good regulated broker. So, yeah, I feel like people don't disclose because they're in the negative. Most people wouldn't, yeah. I mean, I don't blame you. Fuck, I wish I could... Let me see. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Give me a second. Because I can do percentages, right? Let me see if I can do something real quick. What the fuck am I doing? So I have something that shows all my percentages, but what I need to do, right, is I need to see if I can do all time. And this account hasn't been... So I've been on this account since the 6th of January. Since the 6th of January, I've had this account, and I will show you. Wait, fuck no, because I have to, hold up. Let me hide this screen for a second so I can, oh wait, I can't even fucking show you because you're on TikTok. Actually, no, I can. I'll figure it out. Give me 1 sec. Oh, okay, open up here. Hold up. This is just, again, I'm sure you guys can figure out why I can't show. I'm just getting rid of all the... Okay, how do I do this now? Hold up, let me go back to YouTube. Oh wait, no, is that right? Just bear with me, guys, bear with me. Bear with me. Alright. So, all time since the 6th of January, 32.27%. This month, obviously, it's just started. So, 1.29%. Fuck, we had a big day today. I could take out more, but I'm good. Like, no, it's not a funded account. It's personal. Like, I don't know. Literally go watch my YouTube video. If you go watch my YouTube video, you will see that my strategy works. Like, I've run it full auto and proved that on full auto, running back tests in front of you, it works. Like, what more do you want? Holy fuck, hold up. TJB, thank you for following me. Are you in Perth? Nah, Brisbane. Tell me if your bot works so good, why you are so profitable, why course? Have we? Oh my fucking God, we just went through all of this. I'm not going through it again. Go on YouTube and rewind it. I need an investor with a good percentage in return. What do you mean? What techniques do you use to day trade? Dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. Short answer, you aren't making money, stream, and need another form. Okay, cool. You think trading is worth it? If you're good enough at it, yeah, why is he selling a course? It's gambling. Holy fuck, I hate streaming this time. If he made millions and hasn't paid tax, he's just cooked. There's a fun. I did day trading in primary school with food. Nice. What is bro's graph? Zoom in. Your strategy works, so why do you need to sell course? Oh my God. Do you pay taxes? Jesus Christ. Not going through it again. Fuss gates like a pro. Mean reversion is crazy. Lamau, explain what that means. Dude. Oh my fucking God. I hate. Alright. Like, straight up, are you guys like genuinely asking? Because I'm cool. I am extremely transparent, right? I don't dodge shit. I literally just went through this for half an hour. Like, I don't want to go through it again. Literally scroll up in the comments. Why would I not know what mean reversion is? It's reverting back to a mean that the price is happy is trading at. Like, what the fuck? I've developed a bot based on mean reversion, martingale, and dollar cost averaging. What the fuck? Fuck me. Okay, well, Luke, I will answer your question. Were you not in here before? When this shit was happening? I'm just going to check. Because... Bro, I literally went through this before with you. Why the fuck would I do it again? Like, you're just clearly just here to talk shit. I literally went... Are you on drugs? You literally asked me this ages ago, but why sell a course? Why not spread it for free if you want to help, mate? And then I spent like 10 minutes answering you, so I'm not going to answer it again. I literally went through it for ages. I'm just not going to do that again. Go watch my YouTube replay if you want to. I think what I should do is... Bro on the glass, Barbie, absolutely, bro, every day. You didn't answer anything, unfortunately. There was no good point. All right. Why are you wasting your time? If you couldn't get that through your head, see you later, because I don't want to talk to someone like super unintelligent. Yes, bro, yes. Yes, bro. Yes. Yes. Jamie Wyatt. Yeah, someone's grumpy. You try to talk to morons. Hey, just for anyone who might think this dude's legit, he just failed to explain a basic stats. For anyone who thinks this guy's intelligent, he just failed to explain a basic stats. I've thought about making a course on my business because I help lots of people. Do it then. And now he'll ban me. I don't ban people. I literally don't. Unless it takes away too much from the stream. Yeah, why is this guy being so negative, bro? Who, me? Discord me, no need to question how intelligent. Well, bro, I'd explained it like 20 times. Holy chopped, bot success rate. Go check my YouTube videos, it's all in there. This dude didn't explain a single thing. Bot success rate. Honestly, like, explain this properly. What are you guys even talking about? Else who can explain mean reversion would have done it. Lol. Bro, there's no way you're real. There's actually no way you're real. Go back to watching ASMR videos, bro. Fuck. Oh my lord. This stream is like ASMR. Maybe Finn will be there, like. What do you trade, bro? Forex and indices. Bro doesn't know you get rate limited. Probably doesn't know what rate limited means. I'm not even going to read your comments out anymore. So, see you later. Yo, bro, please explain what it's like. I'm trying to set my shit up and you're not helping. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Hit me up on Discord. Soups? Liontown. I got told you're a legend and apparently not. Bro, I've been dealing with these fucking morons this entire time. How long would we have to stay on demo for? It depends, bro. It depends. Like, until you're confident. Everyone's different. Bro is pressed. Yes. Discord, huh? Yeah, hit me up on Discord. Links in my bio. Bro thinks he's important. Yeah. What's the point of Discord if you're just not going to explain it? What are you asking? What are you asking? You haven't asked anything. What? Jesus. Any thoughts on Liontown? I don't know what that is. Bro's Black Bull Trading chess sponsored. I don't know. Did you trade NQ or ES today? Nah. I've canned the indices for the moment. I'm just not liking the price action at open because with indices I trade a version of Tom Hugard's opening range breakout strategy, and it's just very wicky up and down, and it just wasn't doing the best. So I canned it for now. Wouldn't want to stay on demo for 2 years though. Want to start making money. Well, that's fair enough. Like it. The only reason I stayed demo for 2 years was because I was learning from complete fucking monkeys that had no idea what they were talking about. So you can go less for that. Depends. It really depends. Are you in the Discord? I'm pretty sure you are. Man, never mind. Honestly, this is cringe at this point. Don't know who told me you were the legend, but the fuck, can't explain a single thing. You haven't asked anything. There's a reason he's selling a course. Holy shit. Broker. What do you mean? I have autism too. It's so amazing you guys are spreading awareness. Yeah. Fair enough. Nah, I'm not. I can join the Discord though. Yeah, jump in. Ignore all this fucking shit. But it's fair enough, you know. People can jump in and talk some shit or whatever. That's fine. I don't really care. I shouldn't have, because in the real world, right, this is the thing that jumping from, you know, the real world to getting on social media is like, no one's going to say this shit to your face. Like, they're just going to say it online, and I got to not bite. So thank you guys for saying all this shit. It helps me realize that I'm new to social media and I shouldn't just bite at the stupid shit that you guys say. If your broker is CHESS sponsored and you have the HIN number of all your ASX stocks, I don't know, I don't trade stocks. Do you have a financial license? No, it's pretty strict here if you're still in Oz. Yeah, that's why nothing that I say is financial advice. It's all my opinion only, and everyone should seek professional advice before doing or investing into anything. And I've already spoken to my solicitors about it because someone had a sook, and I'm doing all the correct things. You say Discord, but it's like you're just going to not explain anything there too. Bro, what? If it's not, you don't actually own your stocks, you just own a contract to own them. 90% of day traders go broke. Yep. You're hustling. Love to see it. Keep it up, G. Thank you very much, Patty. Appreciate it. Thank you. Because fuck me. Bro, what are you trading then? Forex and indices. 90% of day traders go broke. Yes. Hustling with the courses. What are you doing? If you aren't trading stocks, what are you trading? Patty followed me. I'm pretty sure Patty was not very happy either last time. No, I was just fucking around with you. That's cool, bro. I don't take it personally. It's all sweet. How much money do you make if you don't mind me asking? I literally can't. So as I just said, someone mentioned the financial license and shit. I had to talk to my solicitors and I cannot. No more. They said, do not mention any money, any dollar figures. I'm allowed percentages. That's it. It's fucked, but I literally cannot do anything about it. I literally cannot do anything about it. Wait, are you my dad? Yes. My bad. Nah, you're good, bro. Thanks for following me. Curious about getting into trading, but heaps of people say bad about it because it's the worst industry ever. And fucking so many people have no idea what the fuck they're talking about with trading. Zero fucking clue. What? There's no reason not to mention dollar figures. Sure, bro. Yeah, that's fair. Can you say it's worth it? To me, it was. I don't need to wake up tomorrow, set an alarm, go to work, so I don't give a fuck. I'm ahead of most people. Well, it's pretty funny. But to me, it's worth it, bro. To me, yes. And to a lot of other people, dude trying to hide the fact that he's a failed crypto trader. What the fuck are you talking about? I've put some money in XRP ages ago and Bitcoin ages ago. The only other crypto I've traded was when I was bored in like November or some shit and I was fucking around in the trenches. Any good books about support and resistance specifically? No, I don't know. I've never read like a trading book. I know Tom Hugard's got a good book, but I've never read it. I think it's called, I don't remember, but there's another one called Trading in the Zone from Mark Douglas. That's a good book apparently. And Tom Hugard's, I think it's like The Best Loser Wins. I don't know. I don't really read that shit. Yeah, Best Loser Wins from Tom Hugard. I believe that's a good book. I don't know though. Is it better to train alone or for a company? Probably a company. You have much better information. This guy can't explain mean reversion and he's saying others don't know. Made 100k off Bitcoin. Nice, good job. You say it's a shit industry, but like your ov's killing it. So like that's what I don't get. Yeah, well it took me a long time. It took me a year and a half of bullshit. That's the thing. Literally it took me a year and a half of bullshit, fake traders, shit courses. You know, I saw the whole Instagram lifestyle and all that shit. And then I just happened to stumble across a guy who was an elderly British gentleman who was very experienced and taught me. I looked up Tom Hugard books. All right, Finn, last chance, bro. Like, I know you're just coming in here to talk shit. I allow it. It's okay. I'm happy for people to, you know, come in and challenge and whatever. But if you take away too much from the stream, I don't want to, but I will have to get rid of you. And I don't like doing it. I don't like doing it. So I'm not gonna comment on anything else you say. So it's definitely fucking worth it then. That goes the same way with any professional big risk. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Obviously, like, you know, the whole internet money thing is pretty... It's pretty fucked, you know. It's not like dealing with bullshit if you go into business or something like that. I don't believe, because, I mean, it depends what sort of intelligence you have. Intellect. That was really dumb of me to say, but it is fucking 1 o'clock in the morning. I think Bortman and Finn are the same fucking people, to be honest. As I said, guys, any more, you're gone. How can I start trading? Do the Baby Pips course. Watch my 1 hour video on trading. And yeah. What about these ORBs? What about them? You are lucky to 30 and you are giving advice. What? Yeah, I'll answer anything else to anyone else. You guys are just here to take away from the stream, so keep going. You made much from trading memes? Nah. I put like $50 in one coin once and it got up to like 2K overnight, but I was asleep and I probably wouldn't have been able to withdraw it anyway, so yeah. Unfortunately not, but I had to fuck around with it all. Like in the trenches on pump.fun and all that shit, just threw a bit of cash in there and had a bit of fun, but it was a bit too hectic for me, not my style. 10K worth of Bitcoin in 2013. Now I own QYLD and live off dividends. Nice. Told ya. I gave you guys chances. Finn, you got anything else? Go. Go for it. Your mate's blocked. Go for it. One more. Come on. What can you come up with? Tell everyone to not listen to me. Ask me some question. Just one more. Please. Please. Come on. Go. Finn. Come on. Type away. Give me something good. Put some thought into it. Put some thought into it. Where are you, Finn? Are you gone? Finn? Guess what? Blocked. Am I gay? I don't know. Everything down for you at the moment? Nah. Everything up. What? I'm never going live this late ever again. I swear literally all like the fucking like transgender weirdos from America just jump in and start, like, they have a keyboard and just say the randomest shit. When I do Aussie streams, everyone is like so fucking nice, awesome, you know, asking valuable questions, getting good information. At this time of the night, it's always just idiots, which I shouldn't have entertained for so long. But I don't like blocking or muting people because it just makes me look like I'm full of shit. But market for me at the moment is cooked, down heaps, time to buy more. What are you trading? Crypto? Or market you trade? Forex and indices. How long does it take to get good at trading? Depends on who you are. It's like any skill. You know, some people can learn a language in fucking couple weeks. Some it takes years. Just think of it like that. And it depends who you learn from too. If you learn from the majority of internet gurus, you will never get anywhere, which is what I did. It took me 2 years of demo. So, yeah. It's completely up to you, bro. How much effort are you going to put in? If you're serious about it, jump over. Where can I learn trading? I got a free 1 hour video you can check out. It's on my Discord. The Discord's free. Links in my bio. If you can't get in, you'll have to hit the 3 buttons at the very top right. When you click on the link tree, it'll take you over to an external browser. Jump in the Discord. I also have a mentorship, but if you're starting off and you're not ready for a mentorship, just join the free community and ask me anything. I don't really care. Are you profitable? How long did it take you to get there? 2 years. It took me about a year and a half to find someone to teach me the correct ways of trading and not give me a bunch of bullshit. And then it was pretty quick from then because I already knew all the basics and everything. So maybe a month or two from then till I was profitable, and then about 4 months till I put my own money in. Around rough estimate. I don't know the exact months, but rough estimate, that was it. What's your strategy? I use a bot, so I've developed a trading bot, and it's a combination of martingale, mean reversion, and dollar cost averaging. All into one bot that does the majority of it for me. Obviously, depending on macroeconomics and fundamentals and shit like that, I will sometimes, and some technical analysis, you know, large gaps in the market, support and resistance, just basic shit. I will adjust TP levels to there and then go from there, really. Like, that's pretty much my strategy summed up. Yukon, fuck. Sorry, bro. I didn't see you on YouTube. What a lovely day. It's Yukon. Great trade on the NQ reversal and made around 2K. Nice. Yeah, bro. That fuck. Oh, right here. It's in front of me. Yeah. Off this reversal? Wait, what is this? Yeah, I was about to say, what the fuck? That does not look right. Off this one? Fundamentals kicked in, brother. We obviously had non-farm and PMI figures, so that was disgusting on open, but, you know, if you went short or long there, you would have got cooked. But yeah, waiting for those figures would have been the right thing to do anyway. I wouldn't have traded that regardless. Even if I was doing opening range breakout, I would have waited for the fucking, waited for the news to come out. Are you profitable? All right, yeah. What's your strategy? This is your main income? Yeah, it is. Are you in Perth? No, Brisbane. I get that a lot, is trading my main income, and people say the course and shit is my main income. Bro, I've made like less than $1,000 from that. I literally pay myself like 40 cents an hour essentially from that shit. So people are like, oh, course seller, it makes all the money, bro. The majority of my information's for free. Oh, bro, I can't stand people at this session. I'm going to trade. Is that gold? I'm going to say gold. Do you use any indicators? Yeah, I do. But that would give away what's in my bot, and I don't want to do that because people will copy it. BD, thank you very much for following me. I'm going to trade right now. Or going shorts. What do you think? Is that gold? I know silver. I don't trade gold or silver. So is silver a different name, like similar to that? Oh, right. Yeah, silver. Oh, what the fuck? Symbols. Let me have a look. Now, straight up, I don't trade this shit. I don't know how markets react. Obviously, everything's different. How short are you? Like, what time frame are you trading? $15-minute. Well, we're making lower highs and lower lows, and we just made a lower high, so we could see a lower low down to 33,544, like around there. That's what I'd be looking at, but I would also be speculative. I mean, it depends on fundamentals too. We are at a bit of an accumulation zone from back on the 20th. Like around there, there's a lot of accumulation around that level. Depends how low you're going, to be honest. We could also see some rejection at 33.782 because there's lots of resistance that could turn into support. So it depends how low you're going. But I don't see the worst trade there. Yeah, I don't trade 15-minute or I don't trade silver or gold. So I'm not 100% sure how the markets react to macroeconomics and shit, because obviously we've had some big news come out, so I'm not too sure. But, yeah. Mind saying what you're taking home a week from your trading? I can do percentages, I can't do dollar figures. But I pay myself just enough to get by, and the rest gets reinvested. Everything does. And or not everything. Some of it sits in an account for a rainy day, but the majority of it, I don't splash or splurge. Ted, thank you very much for following. Can we use your bot to trade though? Yeah, absolutely. It's free for you guys. So obviously once you join the mentorship, you get all the information and how I trade and what indicators and everything that I use, and you get access to the bot. You just won't have access to the code, obviously, but you can use it. So yeah, been in the trade a while, a couple of hours. Oh, it's a good trade. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with that. I'd just be cautious of these accumulations on the 13th, 17th, 20th, and the 25th to the 27th. I'd just be speculative of those levels. I'd probably just be careful with that. But besides that, yeah, I'd be careful around those levels. Where you're at right now. Are you American Swedes? No. Makes sense. If it works for you, the bot should work for us. Well, so you can change the parameters, right? So there are so many parameters that you can change for the bot. I give you guys the exact same parameters that I use. It's all in there in the videos. There's multiple videos. There's like a couple of hours worth of videos in there. And I give you all the exact same parameters that I use. So you should be taking almost the exact same trades as me if you're using the same parameters, right? And I did 21.22% last month. If you had it, you'd probably be doing pretty much the exact same. I'm hoping it will sweep 12 lows. Thanks for the analysis. All good, bro. 12 o'clock lows in Sydney time. Oh, bro, my broker's in fucking... I don't even know what time this is. And it just hit daylight savings. I can't even remember what time this is. But I'd like to invest in something as a teenager. When do I invest my money? I won't give out. I won't. You're a bit young, bro. I can't say. For me, just keep doing what you're doing, work hard, stack your money up, train, do all that shit. I don't want to give suggestions or at least my own opinion to teenagers. Sorry, bro. I don't want to be that guy, but you know. Can you get to a point where it's your full-time income? I've been doing this for a while, so yeah. I used to work a job. It's literally fucking 1:23 in the morning. You think I'm going on a job tomorrow? Fuck no. I'll be up till 5 a.m. 6 a.m. maybe. On my computer. Doing this shit. Replying to messages from my free community because people take hectic advantage of that. I give away way too much shit for free. How long have you been off the tools and now full-time reading? Or trading? Yeah. What's the best ones to invest for dividends? I don't know. I don't trade stocks. Sorry, bro. A little under a year. Valid, my bad. No, you're good, bro. You're good. Sorry, I can't help you out. I don't want to give you, like, advice on something that I got, or my opinion on something I got no idea about. It's not what I'm about. What up, Trade B? You holding much Bitcoin? Define how much. Enough. But, I mean, nothing like the big boys hold. But I got in pretty early. What time frame do I trade on? Me personally, 5 minute for lower time frame, high time frame. Bias is 1 hour. My entries are on the 5 minute chart. What is trading? How's trading work? How are you doing? Good. I'm literally about to jump off live. 500,000 Bitcoin. Yeah. How's trading work? It's just speculation. People speculate on the market. You can buy and sell, usually with leverage. You can trade multiple different instruments. You can trade currencies, gold, silver, commodities. You can trade cattle. You can trade stocks of businesses. Yeah, come in here for some self-promotion. The fuck? I'm pretty sure this is my fucking stream, woman. Or are you guys together? I think you guys are together because you joined at the exact same time. You come into a stream like this, ask someone how to trade. You go, hey, message me, I'll help you. And then you try and get the majority of the fucking viewers to jump over and fucking do all this shit. Like, whatever. Anyway, I'm boosting anyway, guys. I'm fucking cooked and I have so much work to do. So, peace out. Have a fucking fantastic evening, and I'll hopefully never see the majority of the people in here tonight ever again, because the majority of people sucked and I had to block 2 people. I got to do videos. I got to record something for TikTok. I got a few messages that I need to reply to. I actually have like 10 messages I need to reply to. That's about it. Yeah. I'm still in some trades. I might do some analysis. I don't know. I'll just be on my computer for a couple of hours. And then, yeah, I'll get off. But, yeah. See you later, guys. Take it easy. Have a good night. Join the Discord if you want to. Links in my bio. Blah, 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 blah. Follow for more. Blah, blah, blah.